Recording.
Good morning all, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day of the KTM service, so today's video, which is going to be a short one, is just around what is this cost going to cost me? I thought I'd do this because there's always people asking the question, what does it cost to run a KTM and what does it cost to run this bike? And so I thought it'd be worth me doing a quick video to run through that for you. I'm on my way now to over to Essex, to Braintree, to Germain Motorcycles, who are going to service this for me today. It's not a major service, it's going to be an oil change. They're going to do an air filter change because it's done 6,800 miles. And that's it really, they're not going to do a lot more, but I'm sure, I know it's probably going to still cost about £400 or £500. KTM servicing isn't cheap, I hear, but let's test it out today and see what it actually does cost me. I had a Aprilia before this, Toronto, and I had a service done on that before I went to Scotland last year. And they says to me when I picked it up, get saving for your next service, it's the valve check service, the engine has to come out and it's going to cost you in the region of £700 or £800. So, these things aren't cheap to service, are they, at the end of the day? They're getting more technical, more complex, so they cost what they cost. So I'm going to take a ride over there. And I will update you a bit shortly in the video as I arrive at the shop in Braintree, and then I will do a bit more in the video later on when I pick it up to tell you how much it cost me. Catch up soon. Well, here we are, we're in Braintree now, just a mile away from Germain Motorcycles. For those of you that live in Essex, Suffolk area, Germain Motorcycles, I believe it used to be based over in Sybil, Headingham, and that old shop now is a swimming pool shop, swimming pool maintenance shop. They were there for many, many years, but yeah, just under a mile away now, and then we'll get this beast booked in for a service. Luckily the weather's held out this morning, which I wasn't sure it was going to. I think on the way home I'll probably get some of this tragic downpours that we've had over the last 24 hours. But I've got my waterproofs with me, so I'm not going to let that worry me too much. But yeah, so just the last stretch now into Braintree, and then I can go off shopping and worry about the bill later on when I pick her up, which I don't think that'd be too bad, to be honest. I'm not don't think that's going to sting me out. Alright, let's see, £400 or £500 I reckon, but we'll confirm that shortly when we get back to it. The old sat-nav's taken me some random routes this morning, that's for sure. The old sat-navs, they like to take you on a journey, don't they? Just get the bike serviced this weekend because next Sunday I'll be preparing to do a tour to Yorkshire. We're staying at the Fat Lamb for 5 days and then touring just around Yorkshire for 5 days and just going back to that as a base. So we're just going to stay at one position and go back there every night, which should be a good trip. Actually, there is a lot of us going. It's about 14 of us, which is a big group. So we're actually going to go up in separate groups of 3 or 4, I think, maybe 5s. And then what we'll do is I think we're going to meet at the Humber Bridge. There's a little cafe there that we can get something to eat. And then once we've done that, we'll bumble on up to the Fat Lamb, which is a really nice B&B, I suppose it's what it's called more than the hotel. But if you are ever travelling up there on your bike, research the Fat Lamb. It's really nice, good quality rooms and good quality food, which is the main thing. And you can grab yourself a few beers as well in the evenings. And it's right in the middle of nowhere as well, and it's really quiet at night. Actually, it's a bit surreal. It's so quiet when you're staying there. But they're all people that own it are really friendly, and that always helps, doesn't it? When you're staying somewhere as well, So literally just down here, I'm hoping. My sat-nav has guided me to the right place. It should have done. Because it's been here before and I do recognise this road, so yeah, all good, all good. Pretty quiet on the roads this morning actually. There's not much traffic out. I suppose it is still only 10 to 9 o'clock, and we're still really not back to the world of normality, are we? So you know, not many people out and about really all the time as to what we used to have. Here we are, Germain Motorcycles. Let's see what they can do to take my money. Now, to be fair, very friendly service. When I got my panniers, I knackered one of the locks up, and they did it for me for a really good price actually, and sort of. Anyway, catch you when I pick the bike up, and I'll let you know what it cost me. Well, welcome back guys. So I've just picked my bike up now, and quite surprised actually. Done a annual service, fluids, recalibration of the quick shift, cleaned the chain up a little bit for me, because to be honest I didn't realise it started to corrode a little bit where it's been sitting about, and £274. So I'm actually quite happy with that, because I was planning on at least 400 to 500 quid. So, you know, there's a lot of reviews about KTMs. Keep taking my money is the saying, isn't it? And to be honest, that isn't too bad at all. I'm pretty happy with that. So now I've got a horrible English wet ride home. Normal UK weather. Can't moan, I suppose. We have had a bit of sun recently, but you know, but yeah, I've got a bit of a wet one home now. Just had to take it a little bit steady, because any of you that know that have got the GT, the torque is quite extreme and the power is quite extreme. So in the wet, although I've got all the MTC switched on, it will still be a bit of a hairy ride home. So let's just hope we get it home in one piece, which I'm sure we will. No, so yeah, I suppose that's you know, me reporting back on the service costs and what it's cost me, and just a quick video today really for anyone that's looking at buying the KTM GT, Superduke GT, sorry, and it is great value. And alright, I'm going to come around to an expensive service, but at the end of the day, I haven't got an expensive service this time, which is the main thing, and you know, I'm really pleased with that. So can't moan really. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. It was just a quick update, just to keep in touch with everyone. Just keeping in touch. Just keep in touch with everyone to say, you know, that's what it cost. And keep watching, keep sharing my videos, tuning in, and subscribe and see what else I can bring you. Anyway, thanks guys. Tune in soon. Thank you. Bye bye.